In a previous video, I showed you how to make a screencast using the screen recording tools in Microsoft PowerPoint. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the file smaller so that they are easier to store and quicker to upload. So, Microsoft PowerPoint tends to produce large file sizes when you export videos. For example, I made this 1 minute and 34-second video in PowerPoint and it came out at 60 megabytes. Your instructional videos are likely to be longer than that, so you will likely have even larger file sizes that will take up a lot of storage on your computer or just take forever to upload. So I'm going to show you how to make that smaller. We're going to use a free program called VLC Media Player. I'll put a link in the description where you can download this media player. It is, again, it's open source and it is free. Okay, using VLC Media Player, you open that up, go to Media, go to Convert/Save. We're going to add the old file. It's on my desktop right here, so just adding that. Add the old file, then convert that file. We're going to convert it to just the first option here, this first MP4 option. We're going to hit this Edit Selected Profile button. We're going to go to Audio Codec, and we're going to make sure that Keep the Original Audio Track is checked. If that's not checked, you may run into some trouble. I have in the past. Okay, hitting Save. Now we need a destination for the new file. So we're converting the old one into something new. I am also going to put it on my desktop, and I'm just going to change it to example 2 instead of example. Hitting Save. And now I'm going to hit Start to start converting the file. This will take a moment, so I'm going to skip ahead in the video after I hit Start. Yeah, that took maybe 10 seconds to convert. Okay, so the old file was, I think, 60 megabytes. Yeah, 60 megabytes. The new file is about 3¼ megabytes, so it's a much smaller file. Now you may be concerned, since it's a much smaller file, is the video quality any good? Well, the video that you're watching right now has been through this process. So if this video is high enough quality for you, then yes, the video quality in VLC Player will be fine for your needs. Okay, I think that's everything for now. Yeah, check out the link below and get yourself a copy of VLC Media Player and start making smaller videos. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you'd like more help with your writing, I've put a link to my website in the video description below, and you can get a hold of me there.